Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Classes. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the single line text and multi-line text command. So let's start with this tutorial. Whenever you want to type anything in your AutoCAD sheet, there is a command for that is text. Under this text there are two options. One is single line text and second is multi-line text. Now what is the difference between this single line text and multi-line text? Single line text is used whenever you want to type anything in a single line, and multi-line text is used whenever you want to type anything in a paragraph. So let's see how to use this single line and multi-line text. First we'll see the single line text. You can choose the command either from this annotation panel. There is the icon text. Under that there is the option multi-line text and single line text. You can either choose from this, or shortcut command for single line text is DT. I'll give shortcut command, say enter. Now here you will get this instruction, specify start point of text. Now you click here. Now this dotted line indicates the height of your text. You can either randomly click and specify a random height, or here you can give a specific value of your height. Here I'll give 3. Enter. Now specify rotation angle of text. Here I'll give 0. Enter. Now here you can type your text. Now when you press enter key, this cursor will move down. Here I am writing. Say enter. Now when you go out of this command, I'll give cancel. Now if you select this text, both the text will be a separate objects. You can select it separately and move as you require. Now we'll see how to use the multi-line text. Shortcut command for multi-line text is MT. I'll give shortcut command. Now here it will say specify first corner. I'll specify here. Now as you drag your cursor, there will be a box appearing on your screen. You can choose the second point or second corner of this box. I'll click it here. Now you can type in this box. As you go on typing, this text will automatically adjust according to the size of this box. Now here I'll give enter and I'll type AutoCAD tutorials. Now I'll go out of this command. Now if you select this text, this will be a single unit. You can edit this text by double clicking on it. If you double click on this text, then you will see this dialog box here. Here you can select this text and change the style or size or make it bold. Here you can change the size of this text. Then you can make it bold, italic or strike through. You can underline it. Here you can change the style. You can choose the style as you require. You can change the color of this text. Then if you select this whole paragraph, then here are paragraph styles. You can bring it to left or bring it to center or bring it to right. You can justify it. Under this multi-line text, you can give different style or different size to the different lines. Here I have given this style to this text. Here I can change the style. Again here I can change another style. I can make it bold. In multi-line text, you can edit the text as per your requirement. This is how you can use the single line text and multi-line text. Hope you all have understood how to use this text command. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel to learn more about the AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.